that said, let's do this. I'll just remove this. I think I'll biggen myself. Okay, so the first video that I'm going to react to and critique and play bingo with is the video that I made. You know, one of the first videos that I made. It was me reacting to the Arctic Monkeys. Do I Want to Know? So let's do this and see how we get on. If you're new, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so they never miss another video. Oh, this is so weird. Okay, let's get into this. I repeated myself. I repeated myself there. So let's embiggen. I repeated myself. So if you've got repeats himself, you can mark your bingo card. Okay. Let's crack on. Actually, I'll just there, that's better. As you just saw, I wasn't headbanging. I was just nodding along to the beat. Well, kind of nodding along to my own beat, I think. Now, this intro sounds a bit familiar, but I'm not sure where I've heard it before. Probably an advert, but I'm not sure. If you know where I may have heard it before, then let me know in the comments below.
Have you got color in your cheeks? Do you ever get that feel that you can't shift, the tide that sticks around like summits in your teeth?
This was my first introduction to the Arctic Monkeys. I had heard of the Arctic Monkeys before I made this video, but I hadn't heard any of their songs. So this is this is literally my first time hearing the Arctic Monkeys.
Are there some aces up your sleeve? Have you no idea that you're in deep? I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? 'Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat until I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my settee. Do I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways? Sorta hoping that you'd stay.
I would have thought I would have come in before now, but I guess not. And Mike, if you're enjoying the song, tell it to your face, mate. Come on.
Well, that the nights were mainly made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to you, never thought I'd call and run. You had a few, 'cause I always knew. Maybe I'm too busy being lost to fall for somebody new.
The look of concentration. The look to be reacting to. Do I want to? Welcome back to Oh dear. Having a bit of a.
Somehow when I play it on repeat.
I did not mean to do that. But the look of concentration on my face.
Until I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my settee. Do I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways? Sorta hoping that you'd stay. And we both know that the nights were mainly made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to you. Never thought I'd call and words. You left you.
I don't know if you just heard that, but that was the sound dipping a bit. So, going back to our bingo cards, I'll give you poor sound quality. Oh, it's in the wrong place. If it was here, that would be better, because then I'll have 3 out of 5. But never mind. Let's soldier on.
Maybe I'm too busy being lost to fall for somebody new. Now I thought it through, crawling back to you.
Yes, yeah, this is a good song. I like it. It's got. I like the riff that's going, all the way, through the song, and hand gestures. So let's mark that one. Hand gestures. See now I've got 2 out of 5. I've got 2 out of 5. And yeah, it's looking good. Lyrics are amazing. It's really the lyrics are really poetic. They scan, and I just complimented the lyrics. So, wrong one. That one. That's better. I just complimented the lyrics. Compliments the lyrics. So yes. Okay. So now got 3 out of 5 here. We're looking good. We're looking good.
Right.
Let's continue really well. I feel that, and also, I just said that the lyrics scan really well. So that's a technical term there. So let's enlarge that. So yeah, where is it? If I can find it now. Yeah, uses tech term. Oh, nearly got a bingo. It's getting exciting. Let's continue. They're poets first and songwriters second. It's really good, really good. I'm really impressed by this. I repeated myself, but we've marked it already. Good stuff.
So have you got the
good stuff? Good stuff. Oh, hang on. That's just good stuff. I've got great stuff. Great stuff. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Give me. Yeah. Great stuff. Yeah. Why not? Great stuff. Same difference. Let's. This is complicated.
Been wondering if your heart's still open, and if so, I wanna know what time it should. Simmer down and poker up. I'm sorry to interrupt, it's just I'm constantly on the cusp. I've tried been to kiss you. I don't know if you feel the same as I do. We could be together.
Now, does that count as a raise of eyebrow? Don't know. Let's wind it back a bit. I'm really impressed by this. Yeah, it's good stuff.
So have you got the goods? Been wondering if your heart's still open, and if so, I wanna know what time it should. Simmer down and poker up. I'm sorry to interrupt, it's just I'm constantly on the cusp. I've tried been to kiss
Here it
you.
comes.
I don't know if you feel the same as I do. We could
There,
be
see?
together.
Now, I don't think I'm going to. No, I don't think that's an involuntary raise of eyebrow. That was me raising both my eyebrows because I was impressed. So no, I'm not going to count that one. Let's move on.
If you wanted to, I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways. Sad to see you go. Was sort of hoping that you'd stay. And we both know that the nights were mainly made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to you. And the thought of calling.
That's it. The sound dipped again, you see. So that we've marked it off already.
Maybe I'm too busy being lost to fall for somebody new. Now
I think in the future, I am definitely going to have to react to a few more Arctic Monkeys songs. Now, especially now that I've worked out the sound issues, that have ironed out the kinks, as it were, because I think they deserve decent sound quality, don't you?
if this feeling flows both ways, we're sort of hoping that you stay. That the nights were mainly made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Do I wanna know? Too busy being lost to fall. Ever thought of calling down? Do you want me crawling back to you?
Okay, what am I going to say? Yeah, brilliant. A masterpiece. Oh, did I say brilliant? I think I did. Let's bring that up again. I think I did. Yeah, I definitely did say brilliant. There. So it's looking good. I've got 4 diagonally there, and I've got 3 vertically in the middle there. So yeah, it's looking promising. It's looking promising. Let's remove that for now and continue. Awesome. Yeah, I love the bass. I love awesome. I think is that a space on our bingo card? Awesome. Yes, awesome. And okay. Oh, I think I made a mistake there. Hang on. I made a mistake. What a mistake to make a. Anyway, we can rectify this. No, it's not that one. It's that one. Good. What I should have done is simply did that. Okay. The intro is really good, and I love the way it keeps going, throughout the song. I love the way the lyrics, scan really nicely, and he's got a great voice. He's got a great singing voice, and I'm really impressed. I wish I'd started listening to the Arctic Monkeys sooner, to be honest, having heard this. And it's again, it's whet my appetite to discover more from these guys. Whet my appetite. So I can mark that off. Whet my appetite. We've got a lot of spaces here. But still not bingo. Not yet. So let's continue. So if you know of any other songs of theirs that you think I should listen to, then drop a comment below, and I'll check them out. Or if there's any other music that you'd like me to react to on this channel, then let me know in the comments. Until next time, thanks for watching. If you're new, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so they never miss another video. Okay, bye for now. Okay, let's get rid of that. And so let's just, so as you can see, I didn't quite get, I nearly got a bingo, but not quite.